high intention setting group. Have you forgotten to set your intentions and your positive gratitudes every day? Well, I haven't, but I have been doing it and continuing to do it and continuing to feel like that motivation is being fed by how my life is unraveling right now, not unraveling, how my life is expanding right now, not unraveling. And so here's what I do every morning, still in my journal, my 5 gratitudes, my plan for the day. I write down any fears or resentments I have, things to watch out for, things to strive for. I give myself permission for 1-word entries, and I make sure I do physical movement, some kind of meditation, and one description of something beautifully synchronistic that happened that I really enjoyed in my day. And sometimes the night before, I write what's the plan for my day so that I remember, because oftentimes I'll be like, what were those things I wanted to do today? So keep track of yourself. Just because we're not doing the 21 days doesn't mean you can't keep track of yourself. Don't lose track of yourself. Time goes by fast. And let's keep the magic going, because you are magical and I want you to have a magical life.